as you can see, we are heading to New Banana Island, and these are some of the clients that came to the office today. Don't forget, our office is at number 181 Peter Audley Road, opposite Chicken Republic. We'll be taking you directly from the office to New Banana Island. These are some of our clients. As you can see, there's some are in their cars that will be following us for this inspection. And this is Peku Africa Mama, and New Banana Island is going for 6 million naira only. All you need to do is to call Peku Mama on 0903429651 to get your wonderful plot. And if you don't know our office, can you see this building? This is our office, Mercy Homes and Properties office at Peter Audley Road, opposite Chicken Republic. Can you see the environment? This is our office. Okay? Don't forget to call me 0903429651 for your New Banana Island. 6 million naira only.